ADJ WMX1 is a standalone performance DMX lighting controller designed for creating light shows on the fly without a computer. 4.3-inch touchscreen giving direct access to the most important effects and features. Color effects button. Mix up to 16 colors into a rainbow, sparkle, or light fever effect. WMX1 will apply the effects to the light's color channels including RGB, amber, white, UV, or CMY. For lights without color mixing, the effects can be applied to a fixed color wheel. Move effects button. Create moving patterns on scanners and moving heads. The Move Effects module includes pan, tilt, circle, and a sweeping magic carpet. Fan the light beams and move the center point of a pattern to play up to the sky or down below on the stage. Use the Live Edit button to override some channels. Beam Effects button. Chases, waves, and heartbeat dimming effects can be created with the Beam Effects module. Effects are applied to color channels, or for lights without color mixing, the dimmer or shutter channels. Create custom patterns with the Step Sequencer. One-shot flash buttons are great when performing live. This revolutionary new device draws inspiration from music performance technology to deliver a uniquely tactile solution that will appeal to lighting designers who want to have the freedom to perform organically with lights.